how to find dog friendly places on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you planning a day out with your pup? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Yelp app to find dog friendly places near you, like cafes, park, and more. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So here, start by opening the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the search bar and search what you're looking for, like cafes, restaurants, and parks. And now here, once you search for it on the result page, you can just tap on the filter button, and this lets you to narrow down the option to match your specific needs. Now from here you can simply scroll down to the feature, and here you can check the box that says dog friendly, and this filter will filter out any places that don't allow pets. And after that you can just hit on search, and after that it will be applied to your search result and your search result will be updated. And now Yelp will show you all the pet welcoming spots nearby. Now here you can also open a listing and check photos, reviews, or the amenities sections to confirm if dogs are allowed. And sometimes users even upload pictures of the pups. And if you found the perfect place, you can just tap bookmark to save it for later, or the direction to head out now with your furry friend. And that's it. That's how easy it is to find dog friendly spots on Yelp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.